Hey Shooby-Doodlers, how are you doing? Well, would you like to win a copy of my book Pandora? And not just any copy, a special limited edition copy, because this is the very first edition that was published through Kickstarter. It's an edition of only 100, so it's quite special. And what's included inside? The special edition comes in this sealed envelope, but this is ready, waiting to have your name written inside. It will have a sticker on here saying, "Do not open." And there's this wonderful poster inside. Curiosity is the desire to know or learn something new. Wisdom is knowing when to leave well alone. So here we have a nice, great big Pandora poster. And there is a letter inside saying, "Do not open," with a message from Pandora. Will you be curious enough to open up and find out what's inside? And your book has a warning sticker. Do not open this book. Are you going to do that? Because as a limited edition, it might be worth more, all sealed up and never opened. So here we have, I'll write your name there and I'll sign it here. And here we have, this is a limited first edition. This is number 73 of 100. Will it be you? So what do you have to do to win this coveted prize? I want you to look at my last two videos, how to draw Pandora and how to draw Pandora's box. And then I want you to do your own drawing. And I want you to kind of bring the two drawings together somehow, and I want you to add your extra little bit of flair and inventiveness and thought and ideas. And I want to know what you think is inside Pandora's box. It could be anything, couldn't it? And the most imaginative, the most interesting kind of drawing and idea that I like, it's all about me. I'm the one that will choose, will win a copy of a signed first limited edition of Pandora. So scan your drawing or take a photograph and send it to drawings@shoorayner.com. All the information is in the description box down below. Now the closing date is 4 p.m. London time on the 7th of December 2018, and that's it, final. And then what happens? I will have a video explaining who the winner is, and I'll be showing all the entries too, and little comments and well dones and things along the way. Age doesn't really matter, and it's not really about how old you are. I can tell how good you are compared to your kind of age. So make sure you let me know your name and age. And if you are under 13, you will need to get your parents' permission and say so that you've got it in the email. Otherwise, I'll have to delete it. That's the way it goes. This competition is absolutely nothing to do with YouTube. It's all organised by me, and by entering, you release YouTube from any liabilities, etc., etc. It's all in the stuff down below. What do you need to do? Take your time. You've got a little bit of time to do this. Have a look at the two videos. Do a drawing, bringing the two videos together and adding your own ideas and thoughts and style. And if you know the Pandora story, then you're going to bring that into it. What do you think is inside Pandora's box? Thanks for watching. Good luck. And in the meantime, stay curious like Pandora. Keep drawing, 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 and entering this competition. And I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye. Oh, and don't forget to click the button here and subscribe.